The Biafra Liberation Army say they have waited Nigeria army so long and they never come. Rather, they went to the villages. Now they come the thief people wey dey inside village. Oh, they say the thief people there na waiting this the Biafra Liberation Army talk. Oh, my people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. If you know say you never subscribe to this channel, I don't know what you dey wait to. May you quickly rush now, go subscribe so that you go to get our update back to back as they hot. Let's go and look into tori wey we get for hand today. They say Biafra Liberation Army heavy battle today happen for inside the place where they call Sumohu. I say this place is there for look for Imo State. He say for as the Biafra Liberation Army on their way to engage the Nigeria army, na so they come thief crayfish, groundnut and other thing come run away. The story dey so harsh, but we go play you the video. May you watch by yourself, you know.
I came as early as 6 o'clock into a kututu, not to fight war but to steal. That I come there to the market of Ikotutu, Sumowo, and break people's shop before men could prepare and go and face them. They don't already run away with people goose. These people are criminal, terrorists. Nigeria soldiers and Nigeria combined force are terrorists and criminal all over the world. I'm here to tell the world that they did not come to fight the gallant men, the Biafra Liberation Army and Biafra Resistance Force on the ground. They came to steal in the land of Biafra. And so therefore, they are cowards. When they came, they started shooting randomly, shooting innocent houses, shouting, "Where are they? May we come out." Then we have prepared to go and face them in the battlefield, only to see that they have running away with people goose, that they have come to Ikotutu to steal and to rob the innocent people. Well, it's only few of them that were gunned down by our gallant men on ambush. But I've then see that men have really coming out with more power, with more force. To encounter them, they have run away with their 4 armor town and then 7 healers. These men did not come to fight us because, believe you me, as early as 10 o'clock, they already start running. The information reaching us since 4 o'clock that they are coming, getting men prepared to go and face them, only to find out that they did not come to battle with us, that they came to steal food items and food and a phone and phone accessory in Ikotutu. But nevertheless, the gallant men on ground are able to combat with them, and it's only few that were gunned down by Ogbonigwe. I'm not happy. Men are not happy because the ground of Biafra did not suck more blood. We thought that these people are really come to battle us. So therefore, we realized that they did not come to battle us, rather they come to steal in Ikotutu market. Well, today might be their lucky day. Tomorrow, they might not have the luck they have today. So therefore, I'm here to tell the people of Biafra, the children of the Most High God, that we are on top of the situation. This is our land. They can never defeat us. Not today, not tomorrow, not ever. And as I've tweeted in the morning, early morning today, We are not begging them to release Nnamdi Kanu, but we are going to force them to do so. This is our land. We are not begging them to release Nnamdi Kanu. We will force them to do so. In this land of Biafra, the land of our ancestors, we go nowhere. We go nowhere. This is the land which Shøçķ, the creator of heaven and earth, the owner of the sea and the land, gave to our forefather as their own inheritance. And this land was our forefather give to our great-grandfather, that gave to our grandfather, that gave to our father, that hand over to us. But do you know what? This very land of Biafra, we must hand over it to our children and children unborn and great-grandchildren to born. Without the presence of Fulani, without the presence of Yoruba, without the presence of Britain in it. And our children will enjoy this land of Biafra in peace and in harmony. This is the oath we have taken, and this is the promise we promised to the world. The more Nigeria delay the restoration of Biafra, the more we will destroy Nigeria beyond repair, until Somalia will be better than them. There's no going back. As we have taken an oath to pursue all the terrorists in uniform in the land of Biafra, so shall we pursue all the enemies of Biafra in form of saboteur, governors, and House of Rep and Senator, and every government parapetistus in our land. We will not relent. We will never surrender. We will never retreat. Because now that we have what it takes to defend the land of Biafra, we must defend the land of Biafra with all our strength, with all our life, with all our resources. And nobody can defeat us. They have never defeated our father before, and they can never defeat us, the children, because the strength of the tree is the root of the tree. During 1967 to 1970, they thought that the war would only last 1 week, but the war dragged up to 3 good years. Even with the presence of Germany supporting the terrorists, Britain supporting the terrorists, China supporting the terrorists, Russia supporting the terrorists, and yet they could not wipe us out as they were thinking of doing. Now it's 2023. 2023 is not 1967. And this very generation have taken an oath to restore Biafra. Nothing more, nothing less. It is either Biafra or Biafra. Nothing can stop us, and nothing can stand on our way. I've always told Nigeria government to choose the way of peace, which is release Nnamdi Kanu and all the Biafra activists in your custody. Fix the day for referendum and let us decide our fate. Otherwise, choose the violent way. You come to our land with gun and bullet, you will die with gun and bullet. We go nowhere. Any way, then choose. Either peace or pieces. We must get Biafra.
Yeah, my wonderful people, you're highly welcome back. As I've watched that video, no be smart, you know. You don't hear them. However, I'm supposed to upload the first video where they are shooting, but I don't have to upload the video here, so I'm going to post it on my Twitter space, Twitter S, so that you can go to our Twitter on S. It depends what you know it will. So go there and watch the video, the same name that we have here as well. So you see, this is what we'll be saying all this while. In the morning, I posted the video, I bring the update. the time they came in and start shooting. If you listen very well in the background, you will hear shooting. That means they are around. But when they, according to him, when they go there, they have already left with some stuff belonging to people. So this is the problem we are facing here. Maybe in Europe, in America, and others. Once something happened in that area, nothing concern people over there. You understand? They will only come and do the operation and leave, not starting harassing people, you know, starting to intimidate the citizens. That is not acceptable, you know. So whosoever that is ordering them to go this operation, to call them in order, stop harassing people when you go such operation. Target the people you come for, get them and go, and stop harassing other citizens. No, that is very, very wrong. But however, I want to leave my people more and contribute for this matter, and may you try to share this video as well. More other people know what they go on.